Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of beauty with a review of the modelones nail polish set, featuring 6 stunning colors that perfectly embody the fall and winter seasons. If you're looking for the best nail color combinations, this set may just be what you need to elevate your manicure game. Inside the box, you'll find a vibrant assortment of colors: rich greens, deep blacks, fiery oranges, and bright yellows, all crafted to capture the essence of autumn. This collection includes not just classic shades but also unique glitter options, allowing for creative nail art designs that are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a festive gathering or a cozy night in. One of the standout features of this nail polish set is its quick drying formula. No more waiting around for your nails to dry. In just about 90 seconds, you can have beautifully painted nails without the fear of smudging. This is a game changer for anyone with a busy lifestyle who still wants to look fabulous. And it's not just about speed. The modelones nail polish is designed for longevity. The high-quality formula ensures that your manicure lasts longer without chipping or peeling, which means you can enjoy vibrant, shiny nails day after day. Each layer can produce different effects, so feel free to experiment for the best results. Looking for the perfect gift? This nail polish set makes an excellent present for birthdays, holidays, or just as a thoughtful surprise for the nail art enthusiast in your life. Its stylish packaging and high-quality colors are sure to impress anyone who receives it. Furthermore, the modelones nail polish set is environmentally friendly, made from toxin-free ingredients with a low-odor formula. You can feel good about using it on your nails, knowing it's safe and gentle. In conclusion, if you're in search of the best nail color combinations for the fall and winter seasons, the modelones nail polish set offers an excellent blend of quality, vibrancy, and convenience. Check it out and let your nails shine with the colors of the season. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty product insights. See you in the next video.